61A, lecture number 19. Announcements. Homework 5 is due next Thursday. We're also planning to release Project 3 on Monday, and it's about the new topic we're starting today, object-oriented programming. We'll cover the fundamentals of the object system in lecture today and on Monday. Then you'll review it in lab and discussion next week. The object system builds upon what you already know about data and functions, but there are quite a few details to learn. So it's worth listening to this lecture, working through some of the examples in lab and discussion next week, and coming back to the material, either by listening to the lecture again or going through the readings in detail, 2.5.1 all the way through 2.5.5. Aligns very closely with what you're going to hear in lecture and describes all the details of the object system that you need to know. So don't forget that the textbook exists and that when you start a new topic in computer science, you have to learn about it, read about it, practice it, and use it in a project in order to fully master it, and that's what you're going to do in 61A with object-oriented programming.